In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and effectively use Microsoft Teams Essentials. Whether you're new to this communication tool or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will help you get started and make the most of your interactions. First things first, let's get Microsoft Teams Essentials up and running on your chosen device. It's accessible on both desktop and mobile, so you can stay connected no matter where you are. Once you've launched the application, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This step is crucial as it links the platform to your professional or personal network, unlocking all the features that Teams Essentials has to offer. Once you're logged in, your next step will be to navigate to the Chat tab. You'll find this on the left sidebar, right there alongside other key sections. Clicking on Chat will present you with your hub for communication. Here, you'll see a list of your recent chats and messages, giving you a quick overview of ongoing conversations. Now, let's initiate a new chat. At the top of the chat list, you'll notice a new chat icon, which looks like a pencil and paper. Clicking this icon invites you to start a fresh conversation. In the To field, you'll enter the name or email address of the person you'd like to connect with. As you type, Teams Essentials will suggest matches from your contacts, making it easy to locate the right person. Once you've found them, click to select and move forward. With your recipient chosen, it's time to compose your message. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a message box ready for your input. This is your space to communicate. Whether you're sending a quick hello or diving into a detailed discussion, just type your thoughts here. When you're ready to send your message out into the world, you have two options. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send button, conveniently represented by a paper plane icon. And there you go. Your message is now sent. This straightforward process is designed to facilitate seamless communication. Whether you're reaching out to colleagues for a work project, touching base with friends, or organizing an event. With Microsoft Teams Essentials, staying in touch has never been easier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use Teams, the more intuitive these steps will become. Keep exploring its features, and soon you'll find yourself a pro at navigating and utilizing this powerful tool for all your communication needs. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting in Microsoft Teams Essentials.